Hello! In this short video, I will show you how to enable events for certain things that are happening in your tenancy. In my case, I will look into events that are related to an instance, start and stop. So I will go to Observability and Management. I will click on the Audit menu from here, and I can go and search for an instance activity. But if I'm not able to find it very fast, I will select a longer period, and in here I can select an instance that was used by me. So let me go and select maybe Kali image, and in here, as you can see, there are multiple actions that I can use, or even on event type. What is important, I can go with instance action begin. Okay, so with instance action begin, I will look also in here, I will click on additional details, and I'll see that the instance action type, it is start. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to the observability and management. I'll click on the rules. In here I'll click create new rule. I will name it start instance, and I will select the event type compute. I will select instance. Okay, and I'll go down, and in here let me find the instance action begin. Okay, first step is done. Next I will need to select an attribute because I wanted to look only at the instance action type, and in here I need to type the value. I'll create it. Next step is to validate the rule. Okay, so I'll press check if example event matches the rule. Everything is okay. If let's say I'm gonna go and write in here maybe start, and I'll click validate rule, and I'll check it, event does not match the rule. Okay, so it's case sensitive. Okay, so we need to go back and we write start small, again validate the rule to be sure. Okay, everything is okay. Now last step is to select the action. I want to use the notification service to that. I will go into my compartment where I have the topics created, and in here I have one that was created just for this. This is an event test, and I'll create the rule. Okay, now if I go back to the developer services, and in here I have the notifications. In case you don't have a notification created, first thing that you need to do is to create a topic. So enter the name that you want to put it in here. After the topic is created, you need to create a subscription. So please create a subscription, and you select from the list the subscription that is okay for you. You can select email, Slack, SMS, and so on. If you select email, you need to enter your email address. You're gonna receive an email from Oracle, and you need to accept the subscription, and it will gonna change the state from active pending to active. Okay, now if I'm gonna go to compute instance, and I'm gonna start and stop the machine, so in here I will need to reboot this machine. I think force reboot. Okay, I wasn't very fast, but anyway, in here status is going to stopping, and when from stopping will go to start, then I will go and I should receive an email for that. I'll put it on pause. Okay, I needed to stop the machine and start it because the restart is a different action. And as you can see, I receive a notification on my email address that says that the service started. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you on next tutorial. Thank you.